Today is a little bit a special day. I came by bike to the Rhinefall. What happened is there was some landslide. Usually here at the Rhine in Schaffhausen you don't have any landslides at all, but most of the path was quite obstructed, so it was a bit difficult to get here. So what you see here in the background, that's the Schloss Laufen, Castle Laufen. I'm going to shoot some videos here with the drone and also with the camera, that you can see a bit of the Rhinefall. So.
Walk me to the river, darling. Walk me to the river, darling. Rock me in the river, darling. Start a shiver, darling. Walk me to the river, darling.
So the weather now substantially improved since the morning. It's now about 10 o'clock in the morning. What you see on the right side of me is Schloss Laufen, and then if you go further down, then you see the Rhinefall. So that's Schloss. So this is Schloss Laufen, Rhinefall, and this is Schloss. So the pool that you see behind me, during the summertime, unfortunately now it's winter, but during the summertime ships come from down that direction, from the Rhine, down here. So they come from that direction, up here. Then you can go in with some rubber boats or some floating boats. Drift down the Rhine with that.
Johann Heinrich Bleuler, a famous Swiss painter, painted this picture in 1820. He owned once Schloss Laufen. In 1941 his heirs sold the castle to the city of Zurich. Nowadays the castle is used as a restaurant. It opens at 11:30 for lunch and closes at 23:30. The epic scenery lends itself to use the castle for larger events, with up to 200 guests. Today I bumped by coincidence into the Pharmacist Alumni Club of Switzerland, and they are throwing a big party tonight with 130 alumni. Not too shabby. The wine cellar will keep them going until early in the morning. Opposite of Schloss Laufen in Schloss Wörth, the famous German poet Johann Wolfgang Goethe had the same thought in his diary. I came and drank a wine, and while he was drinking until the break of dawn, he made this painting in 1779. You can stay overnight at the youth hostel for a fair price. There you are, sleeping in a castle. That's insane. Opposite of the Schloss is the tourist center, where you can buy typical Swiss souvenirs, such as, who would have thought? Yeah, right, watches. You can easily come by train from Zurich Airport or by car. There is enough parking spaces. And if you come by train, don't forget to take this bus, as it drives from Schaffhausen train station directly in front of Schloss Laufen. So what's up guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. Subscribing to this channel never hurts if you want to know more about Switzerland.